Poddar International School, and I would definitely like to review. It was a wonderful session. We could learn a lot of things. The best part was the forest assessment and few things, which I'm sure we can definitely implement with our senior students, wherein they can definitely not do the stereotypes of just doing question and answer session. The principle, the different ideologies which were shared, the different techniques of teaching, I'm sure will be definitely helpful and useful to all the children. So thank you so much, and we would be really glad if any kind of such session would be conducted in the future. We would definitely love to be a part of it. Thank you so much, NAVNEET, for that.
Thank you. So as a NAVNEET TopTech, we would make sure that we would keep spreading and upgrading the education for teachers.
Yes, thank you so much. Because we as teachers also, we need to upgrade ourselves. And when such kind of, classes or such kind of seminars are conducted, they really help to the teachers also to grow well and definitely to teach in a different manner and not the stereotypes which I see.
I would just like to add a question for you, right? So do you think that for new age education right now, the teachers should be well equipped with the digital learning tools?
Absolutely, they should be. Absolutely, it is one of the necessities, even I personally feel digital techniques. At the same time, involving the child and the teacher, not just the, like a dictator, wherein the teacher is only talking and we don't even come to know whether the children are listening to you or not. So such kind of things are really, really helpful. So if you ask me 10 on 10, I would definitely like to give a 10 for this particular seminar. And I really appreciate NAVNEET's efforts for, involving the teacher and the school for this.
Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.